When you format data as table, you are not just styling your data, you are transforming a simple range of cells into an intelligent, interactive Excel table. This will unlock a new world of efficiency, professionalism, and built-in functionality that will make you a true spreadsheet hero. In fact, format as table is a fundamental Microsoft Office Specialist certification concept you need to master. What is format as table? Format as table is a feature in Microsoft Excel that applies a predefined or pre-designed table style to your selected range of data, instantly making it look clean and organized. It transforms a data range into an official Excel table object. As an Excel table, your data gains powerful new capabilities like automatic filtering, easy sorting, spatial referencing in formulas, and intelligent expansion. Why use format as table? The following are the benefits of using format as table. Instant professional touch. There is no need for manual coloring of cells and adding borders. Pick a style and your data looks professional ready in seconds. Automatic table functionality. Tables come with built-in filter arrows and can automatically expand to include new data. Enhanced readability. Banded rows, that is alternating row colors, make it much easier to read across wide tables, reducing eye strain. Smarter formulas. Referencing data in tables using their names. For example, sales data revenue in brackets is much more intuitive and robust than using cell ranges, e.g. C2 to C100. Dynamic totals. Easily add a total row that automatically calculates sums, averages, counts, and more in your table. Microsoft Office Specialist requirements. The MOS exam heavily tests your ability to create, modify, and manage Excel tables because they are fundamental to data handling. To use format as table, do the following. Open a new Excel workbook or worksheet. In cells A1 to D5, enter some hypothetical data like this. Select your entire data range. For example, click cell A1, hold down Shift key and click D5, or simply click any cell within your data range and press Ctrl A if there is no blank rows or columns around it. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Styles group, click Format as Table. A gallery of various table styles will appear, categorized into light, medium, and dark. Click on any style you like. A Format as Table dialog box will appear. Use this to confirm the data range and table headers. For example, use the box below "Where is the data?" or "Where is the data for your table?" to confirm the range you selected. Notice you selected A1 to D5. Make sure the checkbox "My table has header" is ticked if your first row contains column names like region, product, etc. This tells Excel to treat that row as distinct headers, enabling filtering and proper table functionality. If you are done, click OK. The moment you click OK and your data becomes an Excel table, a new contextual tab appears on your ribbon, Table Design, or sometimes just Design under Table Tools in older versions of Excel. This tab is packed with tools specifically for managing your table. Let us explore some key features that are MOS relevant. Table name. In the Properties group, you'll see table name, Table 1 or Table 2 or Table 3, depending on the number of tables you've created earlier. Change the name to a meaningful name, e.g. sales data, employee list, etc., instead of the default Table 1. This makes your formulas much more readable and easier to manage, especially in larger workbooks. To do this, click the box and type a new name. Understand that spaces are not allowed. Table Style Options. In the Table Style Options group, you'll find checkboxes to toggle various elements, such as the header row. This is usually checked by default. It displays your column headers. Uncheck it to hide them. Check it to show them again. Total row. Select this and a new row will appear at the bottom of your table, automatically summing the last numerical column. Click in any cell in the total row and a drop-down arrow appears, allowing you to quickly choose average, count, max, minimum, etc. of the formula available, depending on which calculation you want to display. Banded rows. This is checked by default. It alternates row colors for readability. Uncheck to remove them. First column or last column. This applies special formatting, e.g. bolding, to the first column or the last column. Choose the first column to apply bold to the first column. Choose the last column to apply bold to the last column. Banded columns. This alternates column colors to your table. Filter button. Usually checked by default. It shows or hides the filter arrows in the table header row. Table styles. In the table styles group, you can still select a new style from the gallery if you want to change the visual theme. Hover on the styles to preview the look and select your desired style. Convert to range. Sometimes you might want to revert an Excel table back to a normal range of cells. If you want to do this, on the Table Design tab in the Tools group, click Convert to Range. A dialog will appear asking you, do you want to convert the table to a normal range? Click Yes. The visual style will remain, but the table functionality, e.g. the filter arrows, dynamic total row, table design, tab, etc. will disappear. Note the following. Once your data is a table, if you type new data directly below the last row, Excel will automatically extend the table to include the new data and apply the table formatting. You can explore the filter arrows in the header, that's header row. They allow for quick sorting A to Z or Z to A, filtering by specific values or filtering by color. Format as table is a deceptively simple command that unleashes a powerhouse of functionality in Microsoft Excel. It helps in structuring your data for efficiency analysis and professional presentation. By understanding how to apply styles, leverage the table design tab, and utilize features like the total row and convert to range, you are well on your way to becoming a true spreadsheet hero and conquering your MOS certification.